Hi everyone, today I'll be unboxing the Thor Prodigy Power Station. A powerful addition to any home, theatre or high-end electronic setup. This device doesn't just power your equipment, it protects and enhances it. Let's dive in. Inside the box we have the main unit, the PS10 Prodigy Power Station. You'll immediately notice its premium brushed aluminium finish and etched logo. It's a solid 18-kilo unit which speaks to the quality of the components inside. Alongside it there's an 8-outlet Prodigy board. This isn't just a power board. It actively filters power, protecting your devices and improving their performance. On the front, there's a quality, power and LCD on-off button and a delay start button. During power outages, most damage occurs when power returns due to unstable electricity. The delay function prevents your connected equipment from experiencing this dangerous period. You can set it to a 6 or 180 second delay, giving the power station time to stabilize the voltage before delivering clean, regulated power to your devices. Turning the unit around, you'll find the IEC connector for the main power input cord, and another IEC connection for the 8-outlet Prodigy board, and a switch to toggle between the 240 volts for Australia or 220 volts for Europe. This flexibility ensures compatibility with different regions. There's also a ground connection for added safety, especially in commercial setups. The LCD displays on the front show the incoming voltage and the amp draw, while confirming a steady output of 240 volts or 220 volts, whichever option you have selected. You can even turn the display off if you find it distracting, but personally, I love seeing it work. Here's a clip showing the incoming voltage in my home, fluctuating between 256 and 257 volts. The Prodigy keeps it steady at 240 volts, protecting my equipment. And the benefits are noticeable, not just in protection, but in performance. My TV now has better contrast, sharper edges, and less image noise. Even my sound system has improved, with a wider soundstage, deeper bass, and clearer heights. Some of the other fantastic features include an anti-fingerprint coating with a unique paint splash finish, an automatic self-preservation circuit breaker for extreme voltage fluctuations, a subtle intermittent buzzing sound as it calibrates voltage, a normal part of its operation. In summary, the Thor Prodigy Power Station isn't just about powering your devices. It's about protecting and enhancing them. Whether you're a movie buff, a music lover, or someone who just loves their electronics, this is a solid investment. Thanks for watching and feel free to leave any questions in the comments.